Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change column width on Wix. This is a really useful skill if you want to create a more balanced, professional-looking layout on your website, and it gives you full control over how your content is displayed across different screen sizes. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the main settings page for your site, where you can manage all your design and layout options. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Make sure that this is the website you wish to change column width on, especially if you manage multiple sites under the same account. It's always a good idea to double-check before making any changes. On this page, locate the Design Site button, which is typically found on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to open the full editor. This button is your gateway to all the visual customization tools Wix offers. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, look for the element you wish to adjust its column and click on it. Once you've selected the element, you'll see a top menu appear with several options. The first option of adjustment we have is clicking on the stretched button on the top menu. From here, you can adjust between screen or page stretch, and you can also adjust its margin. This is useful if you want your column to span the full width of the screen or stay within a centered layout. If this still doesn't satisfy you, click on Layout. This gives you proportion options for each column you have. You can use the preset column layouts, which are great if you want something quick and balanced. Or you can customize by adjusting the percentage of each column manually. This is perfect if you need one column to be wider than the other. You can also adjust the spacing and padding of each column, which controls how much breathing room your content has. Spacing affects the gap between columns, while padding controls the space inside each column around the content. And that's it. You've now adjusted your column width on Wix to fit your exact design needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.